Good evening, YouTube. Today is Thursday, the 4th, 6:08 in the evening, and today I'm coming to you from Disney Springs, and tonight I'm going to do another vlog on food review, which means tonight I'm at a wild place to eat and a wild place to shop. That's right, I'm talking about the Rainforest Café. So, with that being said, I want all of you to come and join my family and I tonight to experience the wild place here at Disney Springs. So let's get started. And right over there is the Lava Lounge that opens up at 5 o'clock in the evening. That's where it's the Rainforest Café bar. And right now I'm in line to check in. They got social distance markers. And you gotta go check in right over there. There's like a purple elephant right inside the gift shop. That's where you check in for your reservation. They normally take in walk-ins, but it all depends on the capacity, if it's full or not. They would they suggest you to do a reservation at all times, just to play on the safe side. Now, Rainforest Café, it's actually located right across from the Goofy Candy Company. We're actually gonna move up now, and once I check in, I'll check back in with all of you. Okay, YouTube, right over here. This is the back area of the Lava Lounge. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see it a little bit better. Right there's the Lava Lounge. You can sit all along the deck right here. You're actually gonna be facing the water. And then you got the back side of the volcano. This volcano actually usually erupts. And you see like the water coming out of it or smoke. Pretty cool. Right over here. I'm gonna zoom into it real quick, then I'll show you the menu. It's the Aristocrates. This Aristocrates is located right on this side of the bridge. And it's actually gonna be located right next to the Lava Lounge, next to the Rainforest Café. Come right up here, let's see what they got. They got the bubble waffles. That sounds good, strawberry rum. Then they got the sweet crepes, the banana chocolate hazelnut, s'mores, strawberries and cream, frozen beverages. These are the other assorted regular drinks that they have. Now, of course, here in the bridge, you can actually see the markers on the floor, the arrows, like the other bridge that I showed you on the other day when I came to Gideon. Now, I just want to know if anybody has been to the Rainforest Café here at Disney Springs. Just go on ahead and comment below. I just want to know your thoughts on it. See if you enjoyed it or not. And that hotel right across the waterway here is the Saratoga Springs Resort on the Walt Disney World property right here on right across from Disney Springs. Very pretty with the sunset. The sun is actually going down right now. This bridge is really phenomenal. And right along the way, I'm actually going to zoom in a little bit so that way you can have a chance to see it. Right over there you have the Lego store, if you can see it. I apologize for the kind of blairness. Right over there you got the World of Disney. Over there you got Ghirardelli. All that you can see across. Of course they got the famous dragon of made out of Legos right there in the water. Pretty amazing. Disney Springs has been here for a long time, which is originally used to be called the Marketplace until they changed it over to Disney Springs. When we were at the other day, that used to be the west side, and where Blaze Pizza and all that stuff, all that good stuff. It's actually, that used to be Pleasure Island. This is the Paddlefish Boat Restaurant that's been here for a long time. It's pretty cool, this bridge. Looks amazing. I'm actually going to show you something else before it actually gets dark. Amazing view here from the sign that says Rainforest Café right behind the lava lounge. And pretty close to the springs on it. I apologize for that. It's loud music. Pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on ahead and show you later on, once you get inside of the restaurant, like the menu and all they have to offer here at the Rainforest Cafe. Now the fun fact is that Landry's is actually the owner of the Rainforest Cafe, which is Landry's, also owns the T-Rex restaurant. That's also located here at Disney Springs. And that's going to be, I'm going to see if I can zoom in from here. If you can see that mountain right over there, that's actually T-Rex. That's actually the same owner of that owns Rainforest Cafe. So once we get into the restaurant, I'm going to go on ahead and keep you informed of all the other offerings they have inside for food-wise. I'll catch up with you guys a little bit later. Just got called. I got the text message through the phone saying to check in with the hostess. We already did. We're now in line just to be sat down and served. So once you get sat down and everything, I will go further with the menu and everything. All right, guys. I'm in the gift shop right now for the Rainforest Cafe. All the Rainforest cafes and all the well, like the restaurant for T-Rex also has a gift shop at the restaurant. So I'm just gonna show you some of the merchandise that they have. They got things like this, shirts like this. They also have they sell flip flops. That shirt is $36. This one's only $22. They sell shirts like that. Top like this. Flip flop, more flip flops. And they also sell Crocs. The Crocs here are $40. Now keep in mind that this Rainforest Café. It's in Disney Springs. There's actually 2 locations. There's one here in Disney Springs, the one I'm at right now. And also the other location is at Disney's Animal Kingdom in the park. You can actually, you don't have to go into the park to eat. I mean to. Kids' names on it, or even adults. Got different ones. See, they got them on this side too. They're actually $11.99. Like that. You got more plush. Thunderstorm is gonna start here in the Rainforest here in a second. That's why it's so loud. This is straight through the tree. Oh, and you got a slop. I wonder how much a slop is. These are $49.99. You got plenty of stuff here for little kids also. This is like the little kids section. For the kids. Well, I'm actually going to head over to the table now. They just sat us down, so I'm going to go and, hey, YouTube. So I'm going to show, I want to go to the table now so I can show you guys the menu. They do have a fish tank. it looks like this. It's pretty cool. Yeah, pistons all over the place. Pistons all the way across. This way, that was a fishing towel. I'm going to show you basically what the restaurant looks inside if you've never been in Rainforest. They got plenty animatronics right over here. And then the thing right over here looks pretty cool. It's got a moon on it. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit so that way you can have an idea of what the rest of the restaurant looks like. You got that there. And directly right back there is the restrooms and the telephones. I don't know if you can tell the rain falling down. Zoom out real quick. And directly right over there is going to be the bar for inside of the Rainforest Café. And of course, we're over here with the elephant that looks from the Jungle Cruise. So I'm going to sit down now and I'm going to go on ahead and just show you the menu to show you what they have to offer for food-wise and entrees. Alright, I got the menu right in front of me. Zoom in a little bit. That way I can show you what they have. It's kind of hard to read it.
So you just want it with the cheese? None of that other stuff? No tomatoes,
that's
no shake,
for the appetizers. And then you got the seafood. They got fish and chips. Then of course you got pasta. And of course you got the add-ons to it if you want to add anything. Then the sandwiches. I'm actually going to go for the Beastly Burger, the one I'm going to get. Clear. You got the different sides. Now that's the beef, pork, and chicken. That's right there. And then up a little bit more in the menu, you have soups and salads that you can pick from. Well, that's the only menu that they have. It seems like it's only limited. So, I'll catch up with you guys later. Okay, we just got some appetizers, which I know everybody probably already knows they're mozzarella sticks. They look good. We're gonna dig into them, and I'll catch up with you guys a little bit later. This is the Beastly Burger.
We made it just for you. Hope you have a super fun and terrific day. So happy birthday for Rainforest Café.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, YouTube, this actually concludes our visit here to Disney Springs and Rainforest Cafe. Now, the food was great, and of course, a few weeks early, they actually sang happy birthday to me. Now, that was great. I also want to say that if you ever come to Disney Springs or Disney's Animal Kingdom, I do recommend to go visit the Rainforest Café. And with that being said, if you are new to this channel, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for future uploads. Now, with that being said, no stranger in this upside down world. Until next time, so long, YouTube.